come for a wee day at Torrential to meet Evan. So we're gonna see how it is. It's a pretty moist day and he is cycling. Ah, here he is. Hello! A grand entrance to the car park.
Coming through with the roughness.
Is it looking, Evan? We're clearing out an old track because we've been here all summer and all winter riding the same tracks, and we fancied tuning up an old one, an old exciting one for a wee change of scene.
UNC. Yo, every pad I put my pen on, sure to hot up your den on. I hit it from the back on every track that I've been on. Sex in it be the next hit to happen. Sex and chicks while you be doing all the yapping. Tipping on the tapping, Z the acting, me 2.3 with doubles in CD with rhyme connection. UNC, Force Productions, HOT.
Yo, it's the Q dash.
Wonder where the bridge is going.
There it is.
Still shit, still starting, y'all playing out of position. We live in this here while your squad got a vision. And you don't want to bump heads with QNC camp. Smoke crews like we plan, stomp them out like ants. Rock hard like avalanche, we hot on wax. It's been QNC since the force made big tracks.
We're down a classic one now, Evan.
Oh, same ski.
Oh, he's in, he's off.
It's Kurt D.I.G., Mr. Incredible, Mr. 3-syllable, wreck shit, you bet I will. High praises, I raise the ante. Your odds are chancy, BS the chief Comanche. Get mad at me, cause I'm hitting. Keeps asking you to change, but you ain't trying to switch. Found my niche, so I'm about to hit this quick. So check my dialect and watch this shit, come on.
My aim tight, y'all better duck when I aim right. Two in the same night and bus crews through daylight. Flew in on the same flight, we heading back out of town. While we stamping passports, we be holding it down. Hold the crown, round 3, cue ball the Kurt C. Underground like Shock G, but get played like Missy. At the bar getting pissy, team holding it down. It ain't the same unless you playing for the cup. What the?
What we got in our hands here, Evan?
Oh, we've got an uphill challenge.
Uppy, slippery mud, then you've got to go below that rock and in between that. And this is where it gets nasty. Up.
Yo, now you can beat me on the celly or beat me on the telly. Whatever, stay digging my leather like Fonzarelli. All price like Kelly, keep rising like Kenny Burke. Stay at the office and keep putting in work.
While you still getting jerked, we still spinning the earth. Still getting the perks and been hot since birth. Building my work while you claim to be the hardest. My funds are mutual, son, I get mine regardless.
Is the day done? Evan's just doing wheelie laps of the car park island. See you later, Evan.
Yeah.
Bye bye, see you soon.